Hello my friends. Well, in this video I am trying to get a car seat that I got on Craigslist for free to work in my van. Let's take a gander, see what that's all about. So where are we today? Well, we're in the grocery store parking lot. And after 3 years, you know, I just don't care. Okay, here's what I'm working with. This is a seat out of a VW Jetta. So not the worst vehicle in the world. I tried to pick one half decent so that the quality of the seat would be a bit better. It's pretty dirty, so I'm going to have to clean it off. But actually, you can have a cover on it anyway, so you won't see this dirt. So let's see if I can make this into a recliner. One thing I'm going to have to do is cut all these wires off. Okay, I got these two pieces of wood screwed on the bottom. And boy, did that take some work. There's I thought this is aluminum under here because it's silver. See that stuff right here. But I think it's steel because, man, boulevard of broken screws and drill bits over here. Broke like 2 drill bits and numerous screws trying to get through it. But that's that. Well guys, guess where I am this morning? The beach. The beach. Very rarely get down here. So I came down to Chrome's birthday celebration last night, and I stayed the night at the beach. And it's really interesting being here because it's quiet with no traffic, but a lot of people talking. And it's very moist. The air is right by the ocean. And I left my doors open for like 3 hours. When I came back in the van, my sheets were actually moist. You could feel it clammy. And it's interesting. So I got my new recliner here. It's out of a VW Jetta. It's still dirty, I need to vacuum it. But what I've noticed is that it has a peculiar odor of dog pee. And it's quite overpowering when you close all the doors and everything. It's like, oh my god, it smells like dog pee. So first order of the day is I'm gonna go get this stuff. One of my fellow van dwellers, Scott, suggested. It's called Skunk Be Gone, and you can get it at like a pet food store. So I'll continue work on that today. Got my towels drying, washing up. And I decided I'm going to take these jackets and I'm going to take them out of there because I want to be able to open my fridge without those jackets in the way. And guess where I'm going to put some of them? I actually have some polystyrene in the bottom of my bucket just to keep the urine bottle up above to where it needs to be. So I'm going to stick a couple jackets in the bottom there, wrap them in a thick plastic bag, and that'll take care of that. Behold the wind. How about some Beatles, people? See that Mercedes right there? Chrome's doing a tour. Let's see if we can see his shoes under the van. Or he might not be doing a tour, but he's definitely talking to the people. See those multicolored shoes? That's the man right there. I don't want to bug him. I don't want to... Well, maybe I should go over there. I don't know. Nope, now he's going in. He's definitely doing a tour. He's got his camera out. So I'll just let him be. There he is. The man himself. Disco. How's it going, boy? Good to see you. Who's a good doggy? Yes, you're a good doggy. Yes! You're getting up to be an old fella, aren't you? Sound like an old Harley. Well, guys, it didn't work. I sprayed like all over this chair, and I know it's really bad light in here right now. It's nighttime, but it's cost me like 19 bucks. Tough paint, tough pet stains and odors. Supposed to be advanced formula. I'm thinking maybe I should just coat it, like just get like 4 liters of isopropyl alcohol, dump it on there. You think that'll work? Well, this is how far I got today. I built big structure. It's like 3/4 inch plywood here. I wanted something really thick, and I just put these in to try to strengthen the corners a bit. I left this open because 2 reasons. I want to stick jackets and stuff like that in there. Whatever I can use for storage is always a benefit. And the other thing is, I left lots of gaps. Can't really see the other one, but because I wanted to promote airflow as much as possible. So that's where it is right now. Still dialing things in. I don't know, my butt, when I sit on the toilet, my butt kind of pushes against this, so I might have to adjust this a bit. I still need to vacuum it, and I have a cover that I bought from Amazon that's going to go over it once it's all clean, but first I got to contend with this dog pee issue and try to get the smell out. It's not working so far. Alright, I'll keep trying. So this is not the final finished product. I still gotta trim this and make it look nicer, and I gotta cut this piece off and probably paint it. I can't really cut past this because I want to make sure everything's supported, and you know, it'll happen eventually. I also have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this fridge. It's pretty hard to get at it right now, so I have to slide it out. I think I'm gonna put it on some furniture slides, make it so I can get this cord figured out, so it's not problematic. But yeah, it'll all work out. Hey, Disco, how you doing? You can hear him, but you can't see him. Is that your dog poop? No. Chrome's a good owner. He picks up after his dog. That dog is hilarious. Living in a van down by the beach. Living in a van down by the beach. Dog poop everywhere, waves just out of reach. Thanks for watching, and be well, my friends.